welcome to the channel. So today's lead code question is we have to find a minimum pair removal to sort an array. So we are given an array and we have what are the operations that we can do. So basically we can select the adjacent pair with the minimum sum, and if multiple adjacent pairs are there with the same minimum sum, then we have to select the leftmost and then replace that pair with their sum. And we have to return the minimum number of operations that we need to make the array non-decreasing. And non-decreasing means elim element is either greater or equal to its previous element, so that's non-decreasing. So the constraints given are is the array length is from 1 to 50, and nums of I can be from minus 1000 to 1000. So let's see an example. So here we are given nums of arrays 5 2 3 1. So what are the possible pairs that we can form? So possible pairs that we can form are 5 2 2 3 and 3 1. So the pair with minimum sum is 3 comma 1. So what we do is we replace this pair with its sum. So in next iteration our array will become 5 2 and 4. So now again we will check whether it is sorted or not. So it's not non-decreasing, so we have to do the same thing. We check all possible pairs. So possible pairs are 5 2 and 2 4. Now see, 2 4 is having a minimum sum, so we will replace 2 4 with its sum 6. So now nums become 5 and 6, and if we'll see it, it has become non-decreasing. So now we have to return our answer. So the number of iterations that we have taken is 2, so we will be returning 2. So this let's discuss the approach for this. See, as constraints are very small, so brute force approach will also work here. So what we will do is we will check first of all whether the array is non-decreasing. So if array is non-decreasing, we directly return our answer, like whatever the count or whatever the count of the pairs that we have removed till now, we will be returning that. And if it is not non-decreasing, then what we will be doing, we will be taking the pair with the minimum sum and then merge and then replace that pair with their sum, and then we will be keep doing this until either our array becomes non-decreasing or only one element is left, because if one element is left, that means it is non-decreasing only. So if you'll see the code, what I have done is I have make a check variable of type boolean and have made it true, and answer is equal to 0. It will store the counts of the pairs that we have removed and minimum sum and index. And I am using a loop until my array size do not becomes 1. So what I'm doing is for I am checking every number. If the next number is smaller than the current number, if the next number is smaller than the current number, means the array is not non-decreasing, so I am making my check as false. And what is check saying? Check is saying whether the array is non-decreasing or not. So if next element is smaller than the current element, then it is not non-decreasing. And then I am finding a possible pair whose sum is minimum, and I have taken the index of the first element whose sum is minimum. So once I have checked all the pairs, and if our check is true, and if our check is true, it means there is non-decreasing. So in that case, we will be returning our answer directly. Else, what we will do is we will replace num of index with the sum of the two elements, and then erase the element at index plus 1, and then increase the answer by 1. And once this whole thing is done, then we will be returning our answer. And for optimal approach, I'll be discussing in the next video, which is leetcode 3510. Thank you. If you like it, make sure to like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you.